is the October snowstorm up here in Massachusetts. Whew. Lost power since last night. A lot of electric wires that went down. Let me go check on the cars. Whoa! Snow's pretty deep. Surprised it even snowed in October, let alone this bad. Damn. No power came by. Had trouble, couldn't contact my boss, so I don't know if I got work today or not. At this rate, probably not. Alright, let's see. Ooh, damn. Get some stuff on the car. Look like any damage. No. I haven't been able to charge my iPad, so might die very soon. Whew, snow on my shoe. Boots. Oh, it's not good, it's cold. Everything looks peaceful though on the upside. There's clouds up there, moving very quick. Sun's supposed to come out today. Hopefully it'll get rid of a lot of ice on the electrical wires. I don't know if I said it before, but a lot of them snapped in this area. That tree used to go up into the electrical wires, but now, if you can tell, but it's bent down. This is not a bush, this is also a tree. Went as high as the electrical wires. Oh, okay, there's electrical wire that has snapped and went down. I'll take a step back from that. I don't know how I didn't notice that one. Must have been what the loud crack and pop sound was about 10-20 minutes ago. Those trees and bushes. Look how thick that ice is on them. We used to have some plants over there, but I don't know what happened to them. Just get this out. That split in half. Another electrical wire right there. That black line right there. And that's some damage caused by the October storm. Let's see, today's date is the 30th. Started yesterday, continued into this morning, and then started to rain, and now destruction. If you look at the park, whoo! Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. A lot of ice on the road. Take a look. Got some branches down. Whew. Some more branches down here at the park. Looks like half the trees are down. Whoa! That is the pole. Alright, well, my bud's just about to die, so that is some quick chaos destruction.